Hello viewers, all organizations need to maintain financial accounts. Earlier, accounts used to be maintained manually in handwritten books. Nowadays, accounts are mostly maintained by accounting software. In this video series, we start with basic definition of accounting software. What it delivers, what are the important and essential features of accounting software in general, and which features are especially important for you. You should select the accounting software evaluating the features. See the link of playlist of all videos in the series. We regularly upload new videos. You may subscribe the channel to get regular updates. Please give your feedback in the comment section below the video. You may also send your queries through email mentioned in the description of the video. We will reply your mails. Thanks for watching the video. What is an accounting software? Traditionally, we have been maintaining financial accounting records in manually written books of accounts. Manual process is error-prone, time-consuming, and does not provide results quickly unless some compilation and computation is done. Accounting software helps us to maintain records correctly, producing instant reports and results. Business accounting objective. The objectives of business accounting system may be broadly classified as maintain historical records. We need to maintain accounts for several reasons like submit accounts to the government, tax authorities, shareholders, financiers, etc. Often, this is the biggest reason to maintain business accounts. If there are no statutory laws to maintain accounts, very few organizations would maintain accounts properly. Management of current business affairs. Accounting records helps us manage current business, manage receivables and payables in time, utilize resources, invest funds in efficiently. Accounting software can help management of resources optimally, communicate accounting data with customers, suppliers through the accounting software as per workflow of the business activities. To sum up, accounting system can help in more efficient management of business rather than just preparing accounting books and reports. Planning for future growth and profitability. Apart from recording past activities and managing current business affairs, the accounting system should also help to grow the business in acquiring new customers and suppliers, better financial budgeting and future planning, discovering new avenues of growth.
So, objectives of business accounting are: past, prepare accounts of previous financial year to submit various stakeholder. So, it is about what has happened in past. Present, manage current business affairs properly. So, it is about current happenings. Future, planning for future growth profitability. So, it is about future action.
Learn Tally free of cost. Earn while learning and earn from work from home jobs on Tally. Tally Prime Training Guide is beginner's book for learning basic features of Tally Prime accounting software. It also provides details of how students can learn from their home free of cost. Do projects on Tally and earn money while learning through DVidya website. After completion of course, They may do online projects on Tally and regularly earn working from their home. Tally accounting software is used by numerous small and medium enterprises. So, there is easy earning opportunity for job seekers, training opportunity for coaching centers, and teaching opportunity for expert Tally teachers. Hi, I am Ashok Nadhani from DVidya. I am business software consultant for more than 40 years of experience. I am author of more than 30 books on accounting. We select committed students for free online coaching on accounting and provide jobs after training. To train our students, we also engage Tally teachers and Tally training institutes to help us create learning materials and real-life Tally projects on Tally. See the details in the description of this video.
DVidya is constellation of creators, teachers, and students for spreading education. Learn through practical work. Work from home jobs on training completion. Students study from free resources. Do practical assignments and get paid. Do practical projects working from home. Creators create study materials in text and digital form and earn money working from home. Teachers provide online and on-site support and coaching.